central Georgia, east central Gwinnett County in north central Georgia, southwestern Jackson County in northeastern Georgia, until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Auburn, Oregon, 7 miles northwest of Winder, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Winder, Jefferson, Brusselton, Auburn, Statham, Hodgson, Bethlehem, Carl, Fort Yargo State Park, County Line, Thompson's Mill, Chateau Elan, and Russell. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. Due to the